Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be making another Ultra UOS market update video. And since the last time I made a video, we've seen a bit of downside action. We have found resistance on this level again and we rejected off of it. And if you use the fixed range tool and you take a volume range of this area that we've been trading in, you can see that right now we are resting on the highest volume node of this range. And if you pull a fib retracement from this bottom to this top, we are also sitting on the golden pocket of this fib retracement. And we've gotten some decent bounces off this area. You can see we had 4 wicks, daily wicks off of this level, showing that it's acting as support. Now, one important thing that I want to point out for UOS is since we have put in a bottom here and we've been trading in this little range, we really haven't started an uptrend. You can see we have been putting in higher lows, but we still have not put in higher highs, and actually right now we are putting in lower highs, starting sort of a downtrend here. And we're kind of forming a pennant or a flag formation down here. You can see we're sort of just trading in a triangle right here, and we're sort of approaching the bottom of it right now. But something interesting is that we saw something very similar back in September of 2021. If you zoom in here, you can see that we came down, we put in our bottom, we had a nice bounce up from the bottom, but we didn't put in a higher high to the last high, and just like we're doing right now, we started trading in a pennant formation. And back here, this pennant broke to the downside, but we were able to put in a higher low and then eventually a higher high, and we were able to start an uptrend from this and eventually go on to all-time highs again. And I think it's possible that we could see something similar over here, where we break to the downside, find some support, put in a higher low, and then maybe go on to put in a higher high and start some sort of uptrend. And it's looking like the indicators could potentially support that theory. The daily looks like it has some more downside room. The money flow is actually coming back down and looks like it's about to cross back over. The momentum waves on the 4-hour are continuing to put in lower lows along with the money flow. So the 4-hour kind of looks like we have some more downside as well. And if you come out to the weekly time frame, even though we did get a weekly green dot right here, you can see the VWAP is starting to curve back over, and it looks like we could actually print a red dot here, but I don't think that's too worrying, especially if we see support at some of these crucial levels. Now, if we do end up breaking down out of this triangle or pennant, whatever you want to call it, hopefully we're able to find support at this crucial level right around 96 cents. And I've talked about why this is such an important level. It's because it was previous all-time highs, then we broke above it and retested it as support. And so far, since we've been trading in this little range, we've been holding it as support pretty strongly. We've wicked off it multiple times. So it would look really nice if we broke down out of this and were able to find a bottom on this level. But if not, hopefully we're at least able to put in a higher low so we can potentially repeat what we did in September and then go on to put in a higher high. Overall, UOS seems to be doing better than most other alts. We have maintained a pretty steady macro uptrend here. We've been putting in higher highs and higher lows, which is something many other alts have not been able to do. And also the weekly money flow still looks great. We're still hovering at these high levels. And UOS plans to have a very big year this year. I think the release of the game distribution platform, the exclusive P2E games that they're coming out with, and whatever else they're going to be rolling out this year will probably lead to explosive growth for the platform. And if that happens, if they're able to capture the millions of users that one of the creators of this project says they expect, then we may see that growth translated into the token price as well. All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. Really appreciate all of the support. And I will see you all on Tuesday for my next video. Peace.